Greetings of the day. I am Tripathi.
And I, Tivisha Sharma, welcome you in the December edition of Rundown Times, our trusted source for all of the latest happenings and updates in Vanasthali Public School.
As we bid farewell to another remarkable year, December has truly been a month to remember. It was a season filled with joy, excitement, and the spirit of togetherness, as the entire Vanasthali family came together to celebrate with unparalleled zeal and enthusiasm.
From cultural events to festivals, December brought us countless reasons to smile, reflect, rejoice. Let's get started. In this celebratory month, Vanasthali family prioritized students' growth, where primary students spoke before parents, showcasing their confident and speaking skills in the activity named as If I Would Be.
Good morning everyone, I am Arafik Mori and today I will share a few lines on if I were a bird, if I were a bird in the blue sky. I would glide through the clouds and enjoy the gentle breeze. I could land on tall trees and sing cheerful songs. I would explore beautiful places like forest, river and mountains. My home would be a cozy nest built with care using twigs and leaves. Thank you. And I will speak a few lines on if I were a bag. If I were a beautiful bag, I would shine so bright, covered in colors that bring delight, with sparkling zippers and ribbons to match.
First of all, I would like to thank the teachers and the school management also, because when I got the feedback slip, I was very happy about it, because the kind of activities which I was going to conduct in the school, this has certainly helped the kids to improve their speaking skills and would certainly encourage them for the future also. So I really appreciate the efforts of management in the school also, and I would recommend that these kind of activities should be continued in future also. Thank you so much.
Our school successfully conducted a parents-teacher meeting for the recent assessments, combined with an engaging science exhibition showcasing student innovations. Parents shared their valuable feedbacks and suggestions, strengthening collaboration between school and families. The event highlighted growth, creativity, and shared commitment to holistic development. School's annual function was a grand celebration in the month of December that centered on the theme of Buddhism called Nirvana. The teachings of Lord Buddha were beautifully conveyed through captivating dance performances, music, and captivating cultural programs. The students showcased the values of peace, compassion, and enlightenment.
गणपति गणेश लंबोदर सोमे पूजाचार एकदंत चंद्र ललाट राजे ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश धर्मत करान करान धा करान करान धा करान करान धा जय जय ओम चंडिका नमो ध्यात दादा ध्यात दादा ध्यात दादा जय जय ओम चंडिका नमो ध्यात दादा
आप कौन है श्रीमान?
मैं हाँ मैं परम ज्ञानी त्रिकालदर्शी सोमुखी
The
event was graced by the esteemed presence of Padma Shri Dr. Deepa Malik, Paralympic medalist, as the chief guest, and Ms. Sakshi Kasana, an inspiring Indian parathlete, as the guest of honor. Both dignitaries shared their profound words of wisdom, motivating the audience with their life stories, and applauded the institution's effort in organizing such a remarkable program and nurturing the young youth.
मौजूद हैं, आप सबको मेरा एक बहुत बड़ा हार्दिक अभिनंदन। बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे आज, जो दिल को छू गया कि वो विद्या मंदिर है जो अपनी संस्कृति को जीवित रख रहा है, अपने जो म्यूज़िक के वाद्य हैं उनको ज़िंदा रख रहा है, और उससे भी ज़्यादा जो ज़िंदा रख रहा है वो इंक्लूजन एंड डाइवर्सिटी को अपने नन्हे बच्चों के दिमागों में, उनके, ये तो यंग बच्चे हैं, मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि इन्होंने जल्दी स्पोर्ट्स को अपनाया। लेकिन ये सब मैं तभी कर पाई जब मैंने नए शरीर को नए ढंग से सीखा। जो 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 की वर्ड है वो है लर्निंग। इफ़ यू आर विलिंग टू लर्न, you will be adaptable, you will be accepting change, and you will be emerging a winner and a solution.
थैंक यू सो मच।
शायद हम दोनों खड़े नहीं हो पाते हैं जब नेशनल एंथम बजता है, हम बैठे रह जाते हैं क्योंकि हम खड़े नहीं हो सकते। लेकिन हम जब देश के लिए मेडल जीतते हैं तो तिरंगा भी ऊपर जाता है और 140 करोड़ भारतीय खड़े हो जाते हैं।
Adding to the highlights of the day, the principal of the school, Mrs. Sashi Jan, presented the annual report showcasing the institution's achievements and milestones over the past year.
Anika Rajput, 7P, added a bronze medal in the National Taekwondo Championship. Besides, 6 students have been selected for CBSE National. The football team boys earned gold and silver medals and showcasing their teamwork. My heartiest congratulations to all the winners.
राजा शुद्धोधन का प्रवेश होता है।
पुत्र, तुम्हारा चेहरा उदास क्यों है? तुम्हारे पास सब कुछ है, फिर भी तुम संतुष्ट नहीं लगते।
पिताजी, मुझे आज ज्ञात हुआ कि मेरे पास जो कुछ भी है वो सब मिथ्या है। मुझे परम सत्य की तलाश है।
The commendable efforts of the faculty members were also celebrated through a heartwarming felicitation ceremony.
Shefali Singh and Rinku Kumar, the archery faculty and the taekwondo faculty. Can we have you on the stage? Let us hear it loud for them. From bringing medals at CBSE archery tournament and CBSE zonal taekwondo tournament. Mr. Rinku Kumar, who has carved a niche in the field of taekwondo at CBSE clusters.
The primary wing of our school celebrated Christmas with joy and enthusiasm. Students dressed as Angel and Santa Claus added charm to the event. The appearance of Santa was the highlighted part of it. Santa spread happiness through a cart ride. Students also went to a nearby church to seek blessing and experience the true spirit of the festival.
Members of Proficiency Crew Club visited an orphanage and an old age home, playing Secret Santa by gifting utility items. This gesture brought smiles to the elderly and children, reflecting the true essence of Christmas. The school premises came alive with vibrant decoration showcasing Christmas and New Year spirits.
As we wrap up this edition, we wish all our viewers a very happy new year. With the arrival of this new year and the upcoming session, our school remains steadfast in its commitment to providing exceptional, outstanding performances for students, outstanding results, and meeting parents' expectations. Together, we look forward to another year of growth, learning, and success.
Thank you for joining us. May this year bring you happiness and success.